Welcome to World Icons and Travel. Today, we embark on a mesmerizing journey to witness one of nature's most spectacular and elusive displays, the Aurora Borealis, or the Northern Lights. Dancing across the Arctic skies in a breathtaking symphony of color and motion, this celestial phenomenon has captivated human imagination for millennia, inspiring myths, legends, and a profound sense of wonder. Join us as we delve into the scientific explanations behind this ethereal display, explore the historical interpretations across different cultures, and traverse the geographical landscapes of the Arctic regions where the aurora most frequently graces the night sky. Prepare to be enchanted by the magical allure of the Northern Lights. Our exploration of this celestial spectacle begins now. The science of the spectacle. Understanding the Northern Lights. The Aurora Borealis is not a mystical phenomenon but a stunning display of physics in action, resulting from the interaction between the sun's energy and Earth's atmosphere. Explore diagrams illustrating the solar wind and Earth's magnetosphere. The sun constantly emits a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. When this solar wind encounters Earth's magnetic field, a protective shield known as the magnetosphere, some of these particles are funneled towards the polar regions along the magnetic field lines. Show animations illustrating charged particles from the solar wind interacting with the magnetosphere and being directed towards the poles. As these energetic particles collide with atoms and molecules in Earth's upper atmosphere, primarily oxygen and nitrogen, at altitudes of 60 to over 200 miles, they excite these atoms. When the excited atoms return to their normal state, they release energy in the form of light, the aurora. Explore diagrams showing the excitation and emission of light by atmospheric gases. The color of the aurora depends on the type of gas and the altitude of the collision. Oxygen atoms emit green and red light, while nitrogen atoms produce blue and purple hues. Show visuals of auroras in different colors and explain the corresponding atmospheric gases. The intensity and frequency of auroral displays are directly linked to solar activity, such as solar flares and coronal mass ejections, which release larger bursts of charged particles. Explore diagrams illustrating solar flares and coronal mass ejections. Understanding the science behind the aurora enhances the appreciation for this natural wonder and allows for better prediction of auroral displays. Legends of the lights. Historical and cultural interpretations. For centuries, before the scientific understanding of the aurora, cultures across the Arctic regions developed rich and varied interpretations of this celestial spectacle. Explore historical illustrations and accounts of aurora interpretations from different cultures. In Norse mythology, the aurora was sometimes seen as the Bifrost Bridge, a shimmering pathway connecting the earth to Asgard, the realm of the gods. Show artistic renderings of the Bifrost Bridge and Norse gods. Some Inuit communities believed the aurora to be the spirits of the deceased playing ball or the souls of animals they had hunted. Explore Inuit artwork and legends related to the aurora. In Finnish folklore, the aurora, or revanchelit, fox fires, was thought to be caused by a magical fox running across the snowy fells, its tail sweeping up sparks into the sky. Show artistic depictions of the fox fires legend. Medieval Europeans often viewed the aurora with fear and superstition, associating it with omens of war, famine, or disease. Explore historical illustrations depicting these interpretations. Even early scientific explorers offered various, sometimes inaccurate, explanations before the true nature of the aurora was understood. Show early scientific diagrams and theories about the aurora. These diverse historical and cultural interpretations highlight the profound impact of the aurora on human imagination and the ways in which people have sought to understand this awe-inspiring natural phenomenon. The geographic sweet spot. Where to witness the Northern Lights. The Aurora Borealis is primarily visible in the high-latitude regions of the Northern Hemisphere, within a band known as the auroral oval. Explore maps highlighting the auroral oval. This oval encircles the North Pole and includes parts of Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Russia. Each of these regions offers unique landscapes and travel experiences for aurora viewing. Alaska, USA, particularly Fairbanks and Anchorage, provides accessible viewing opportunities with established tourism infrastructure. Shows stunning visuals of the aurora over Alaskan landscapes. Canada's Yukon Territory, Northwest Territories, and Nunavut offer vast wilderness and dark skies ideal for aurora chasing. Explore breathtaking footage of the aurora over the Canadian Arctic. Greenland's dramatic icy landscapes provide a stunning backdrop for the dancing lights. Show visuals of the aurora over Greenland's glaciers and icebergs. Iceland, with its volcanic terrain and geothermal activity, offers a unique and accessible aurora viewing experience. Explore captivating footage of the aurora over Icelandic landscapes. Norway, particularly Tromsø and the Lofoten Islands, is a popular destination known for its coastal aurora views. Shows stunning visuals of the aurora over Norwegian fjords and mountains. Sweden's Lapland, including Abisko National Park, is renowned for its dark skies and aurora research stations. Explore breathtaking footage of the aurora over Swedish Lapland. Finland's Lapland offers cozy accommodations and a magical winter wonderland for aurora viewing. Show enchanting visuals of the aurora over Finnish Lapland. Russia's Murmansk Oblast and Siberia also lie within the auroral oval, offering more remote and adventurous viewing opportunities. Explore visuals of the aurora over the Russian Arctic. Understanding the geography of the auroral oval helps travelers plan their aurora-seeking adventures in these diverse and captivating Arctic regions. Chasing the lights, travel tips and photography. Witnessing the Aurora Borealis is a dream for many travelers, and careful planning can significantly increase your chances of experiencing this magical display. Explore images of aurora viewing experiences. The best time to see the aurora is during the dark winter months, typically from late September to late March, when the nights are long and dark. Check aurora forecast websites and apps that predict solar activity and auroral probability. Show examples of aurora forecast displays. Getting away from city lights and light pollution is crucial for optimal viewing. Seek out dark sky locations in rural areas. Dress warmly in layers, as Arctic nights can be extremely cold. Consider bringing thermal clothing, hats, gloves, and insulated boots. Be patient, as the aurora is a natural phenomenon and its appearance can be unpredictable. Sometimes the display is faint, and other times it's a vibrant, dancing spectacle. Bringing a good camera and a tripod is essential for capturing the beauty of the aurora. Use a wide-angle lens, a low ISO, and a long exposure to capture the faint light. Experiment with different settings to achieve the best results. Consider joining a guided aurora tour with experienced local guides who know the best viewing spots and can provide valuable insights. Show images of guided aurora tours. Respect the environment and follow leave no trace principles when aurora viewing in natural areas. By following these travel tips and photography advice, you can maximize your chances of witnessing and capturing the unforgettable beauty of the Northern Lights. Mythical creatures and scientific outposts, exploring aurora viewing destinations. The regions where the Aurora Borealis dances are not only places of scientific wonder, but also lands steeped in unique cultures and often challenging environments. Explore visuals of unique Arctic destinations. Iceland, with its dramatic landscapes of volcanoes, glaciers, and waterfalls, offers a surreal backdrop for aurora viewing and the chance to explore geothermal areas. Show visuals of Iceland's unique landscapes under the aurora. Northern Norway, particularly Tromsø, is a vibrant Arctic city with excellent aurora viewing opportunities and a rich Sami culture. Explore images of Tromsø and Sami traditions. Finnish Lapland offers a magical winter wonderland with opportunities to stay in glass igloos and experience traditional reindeer sleigh rides while waiting for the aurora. Show enchanting visuals of glass igloos and reindeer sleighs under the Northern Lights. Canada's Yukon Territory provides vast wilderness and opportunities for dog sledding and snowshoeing under the aurora. Explore adventurous visuals of winter activities in the Yukon. Greenland's remote settlements offer a glimpse into Inuit culture and the raw beauty of the Arctic. Show visuals of Greenlandic villages and the aurora over the icy landscape. These destinations offer not only the chance to witness the aurora but also to immerse oneself in the unique cultures and landscapes of the Arctic, creating a truly unforgettable travel experience. The Southern Lights, Aurora Australis. While our focus has been on the Aurora Borealis in the Northern Hemisphere, it's important to acknowledge its equally stunning counterpart in the Southern Hemisphere, the Aurora Australis, or the Southern Lights. Explore maps highlighting the regions where the Aurora Australis is visible. This phenomenon occurs through the same scientific process as the Northern Lights, but is visible in high-latitude regions of the Southern Hemisphere, including Antarctica, Tasmania, Australia, and the southern parts of New Zealand and South America. Show stunning visuals of the Aurora Australis in these regions. While less accessible than its northern counterpart, the Aurora Australis offers equally breathtaking displays of light for those who venture to these remote southern latitudes. The colors and patterns of the Aurora Australis are often similar to the Aurora Borealis, creating a mirrored spectacle at the Earth's poles. Exploring the Aurora Australis adds another dimension to the global phenomenon of the polar lights and highlights the interconnectedness of our planet's atmospheric and magnetic systems. The future of the lights, climate change and space weather. The delicate balance of Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field, which gives rise to the Aurora Borealis, is potentially susceptible to changes in our planet's climate and the unpredictable nature of space weather. Explore visuals illustrating these factors. Climate change, while not directly causing the aurora to disappear, could impact the atmospheric conditions in the high latitudes, potentially influencing the frequency or intensity of displays over long periods. Discuss the potential indirect effects of climate change on the aurora viewing experience. Space weather events, such as extreme solar storms, can significantly enhance auroral activity, leading to more intense and widespread displays, but they can also disrupt communication and navigation systems. Explore diagrams illustrating extreme solar events and their potential impact on Earth. Scientists are continuously monitoring both Earth's climate and solar activity to better understand and predict these phenomena. Show visuals of space weather monitoring and research. Preserving the pristine environments of the Arctic regions, which are crucial for dark sky viewing, is also essential for the future of aurora tourism. Sustainable practices and responsible travel are vital for minimizing human impact on these delicate ecosystems. Understanding the potential impacts of climate change and space weather underscores the importance of environmental stewardship and continued scientific research to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the magic of the Northern Lights. The Aurora Borealis, a celestial ballet of light and color, stands as one of the most captivating and awe-inspiring wonders of our natural world. From the scientific dance of solar particles and atmospheric gases to the rich tapestry of cultural legends and the breathtaking landscapes of the Arctic regions where it graces the night sky, the Northern Lights offer a profound connection to the power and beauty of our universe. Whether you dream of witnessing its ethereal glow firsthand or are simply captivated by its images, the aurora serves as a reminder of the magic that exists in our world. As we conclude our journey into the realm of the Northern Lights, we hope you've been inspired by its beauty and the science and stories behind it. What color of the aurora would you most like to witness? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow travel and astronomy enthusiasts, and subscribe to World Icons and Travel for more explorations of the world's most extraordinary destinations. Until our next adventure, may your own skies be filled with wonder.